Alright guys, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of two different hair removal systems. The one on the right was bought on Walmart, the one on the left was bought on gearbest. As you can see, gearbest quality is always not as good. If you think about it, it's got bumps when you receive it. Packaging, they're probably both made in China, I'm not sure, but generally speaking, if you get it from Walmart, the packaging will look a little bit nicer, but that doesn't change the fact that, you know, the product might be better from China. You don't know. So you will have differences, and in some cases one is better, in some cases the one from Walmart is better, and sometimes you have to be careful because some Walmart will buy products or will sell products from third-party stores. So you have to always watch out for that. In some cases, what you get from Walmart is the same as what you would get from gearbest. Alright, so what you have here is both of them come with instruction manuals. Both of them have plugs. And in this case, the one from gearbest comes with some glasses, which is kind of neat, and a razor. Wow, I didn't know that. Good. So glasses and razor. The other one comes without any of these things, although if you read the instruction manual, even this one requires you to wear some form of sunglasses. So if you don't have those, just use whatever sunglasses you have, you know, Dolce & Gabbana, whatever you purchase, or Oakley. Just generally speaking, as you can see, this one is much larger. It looks like like something you'd use to dry your hair, like a hair dryer. And this one is a little bit smaller. As far as this, the size of this thing that actually uses the laser light, this one actually looks a little bit smaller. This may actually be more comfortable to hold in your hand if you're aiming it at your skin here than this. But this one is feels like maybe this one is a little bit lighter. This is a little bit lighter than this one. As far as buttons go, this one has a main button here. I'm not sure what this is for. I'll have to read the instructions. But let me see. This looks like the button to turn them on. And I guess this is the button to start the laser, and this is the button to start the laser on this one. So this should be pretty straightforward. Yeah, pretty straightforward. This one here, hair removal instrument manual. I don't like that both of these don't really tell you what the name of the product is, and I will have to look it up again because when I bought them, the instruction manual should have the name of the brand. So that's poor marketing on both products here. See, Photon hair removal instrument and hair removal device, but as you can see, they don't really tell you what the brand is. But I'll do that research for you guys and then let you know when I post the video. But anyway, hope this is useful for you guys, just to see two different kinds of hair removal devices, and I'll let you know if they're any good, because I do look like a Yeti from time to time, and yeah, it could come in handy. See you in the next video.